Meaning of disbelieving.
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 Disbelieving. The word disbelieving is an adjective that describes someone who does not believe or accept something is true. It can be used to describe a state of skepticism, doubt, or lack of faith in a particular statement, person, or idea. When someone is disbelieving, they may be hesitant to trust the information presented to them or may actively question its validity. This can result in a lack of acceptance or agreement with others and may lead to further investigation or evaluation of the situation at hand.